Welcome to Possessive Adjectives Review. In this lesson, we will learn about 4 important words that help us describe ownership. These words are my, your, his, and her. These possessive adjectives are essential in English because they show who owns or has something. Let's explore each one carefully. Let's start with my and your. My is used when something belongs to me, the person speaking. For example, you might say my book is blue. Your is used when something belongs to you, the person listening. For instance, your pen is red. Notice that my describes things that belong to the speaker, while your describes things that belong to the listener. Now let's learn his and her. His is used when something belongs to a male person or man. You can say his car is fast. Her is used when something belongs to a female person or woman. You might say her house is big. Remember, his and her help us show who owns something when we're talking about other people. Here are real examples of possessive adjectives in sentences. My book is interesting shows that I own the book. Your phone is new shows that you own the phone. His dog is brown shows that a boy or man owns the dog. Her cat is fluffy shows that a girl or woman owns the cat. These examples show how we use these adjectives in everyday English. There are 2 important rules to remember about possessive adjectives. First, possessive adjectives always come before nouns. We say my book, not book my. We say your pen, not pen your. Second, possessive adjectives do not change when the noun is plural. We say my cat and my cats, not my cats different. The adjective stays the same whether we have one thing or many things. A common mistake beginners make is saying me book instead of my book. Remember, me is a pronoun, not a possessive adjective. The correct way is to always use my when something belongs to you, the speaker. So instead of me book is blue, you should say my book is blue. This is a simple but important distinction to remember. Let's practice what we learned. Fill in the blank, her name is Sarah. The answer is her because the name belongs to a female. Fill in the blank, my favorite color is blue. The answer is my because it belongs to me, the speaker. Fill in the blank, his shoes are black. The answer is his because the shoes belong to a male. Fill in the blank, your teacher is nice. The answer is your because the teacher belongs to you, the listener. Let's review all 4 possessive adjectives in a summary. My is used for the speaker, the person saying the sentence. Example, my house. Your is used for the listener, the person you are talking to. Example, your bag. His is used for a male person. Example, his phone. Her is used for a female person. Example, her friend. Now you understand the 4 main possessive adjectives and how to use them correctly in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.